for question 12, it's already been factored. However, because it's equal to 14, we actually have more work on this question because it can't be equal to 14. It must equal 0 in order for you to solve because of the zero product property that we talked about. So I like to tell the story of if you've ever been at work and you have to miss a day and someone tries to do your job for you and they end up like messing something up, then when you get back to your job, not only do you need to do the job, but you need to reverse what they did. So that's kind of like, I guess, a bad analogy about what we have to do here. So I actually want to bring the 14 over. And then I want to combine that negative 14 with this, but before I do that, I need to FOIL this. So I need to undo the factoring that was already done on this problem. So this will be x squared plus 4x minus x minus 4 minus 14 is equal to 0. And then that's going to be x squared plus 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. So now I want to refactor this. Because there's no number in front of the x squared, or because it's an implied 1, we can do the fast factoring. So you can put x and x, and then say what two numbers multiply together to give you negative 18, but add together to give you 3. And those two numbers will be plus 6 and minus 3, and you can just put those numbers there. We don't need to do factor by grouping. So then x plus 6 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, so x is equal to negative 6, x is equal to positive 3. So anytime that it looks like it's been factored already, be really careful because we can't just set x minus 1 equal to 14 and get x is equal to 15 and set x plus 4 is equal to 14 and get x is equal to 10. We cannot do this because, again, we can't use that 0 product property. So it has to be equal to 0 for you to set each branch equal to 0. So again, on ones like these where it's already been factored, it's actually more work because you need to FOIL it out, bring that 14 over, combine it with that polynomial, and then refactor it.